Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
I think it's time para paunlakan na natin ang ating Byahe Sender of the Night. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Ito po ang Biyahe ng Buhay ni Ann. Hi DJ Lala, I'm one of your Lala babies po. Gusto ko lang po mag-share ng problem. To make the long story short po, my youngest sister failed the mechanical engineering board exam just recently. Sobra po akong nalungkot for her. She made all the best and effort she can. She enrolled on a review center. She rented a room to review and all. In short, we gave everything to make sure na komportable siya. The saddest part is, yung roommate niya nakapasa ng board exam. Sineryoso niya po ang pagre-review, hindi po masyado nakikipag-usap, nag-deactivate ng Facebook, ganun. Hindi niya sinabi kailan yung exam niya. Ayaw din na ipagsabi na nagre-review siya dahil pag bumagsak daw nakakahiya. Ang sabi niya sa amin na mental block daw po siya during the board exam. Ano po ba ang magagawa ko para sa kapatid ko? Sabi ni Anna Rivera. My love, bilang isang kapatid, all you can do para sa kapatid mo na nakaramdam ng failure is to support them habang pabangon sila. Diba? To encourage them to try again. Hindi porket nag-fail ka one time, ibig sabihin you are stupid, you are incompetent, wala kang kakayahan, hindi ka para doon. Some people are being tested lang talaga. And hindi naman magme-merit basta-basta kung ilang beses ka nag-try para makakuha ng licensure sa mga ganyang klaseng exam. Nandun pa rin yan sa performance, andun pa rin yan sa skill. Encourage your sister not to give up. Hindi naman kasi yan ganun kadali eh. You have to explain it to them. Even if you have no idea kung ano yung pinag-aaralan niya, kung ano yung scope ng mga binabasa niya, ng mga iniintindi niya, even if you don't have the exact idea of how hard it is, pero nakikita mo kung gaano siya nagsusunog ng kilay in order to pass it, then sabihin mo sa kanyang ganyan na, hindi yan ganun kadali. Do not beat yourself up just because you failed your first try. If we have to do it all over again, we are with you. Kasama mo kami. Si Papa, si Mama, ako, susuporta pa rin kami. Gusto mo ulit magkaroon ng sarili mong room? Mag-board? Gusto mo ulit mag-deactivate ng account? Gusto mo kami magdala sa'yo ng grocery? Gusto mo wag ipaalam uli sa amin kung kailan ka mag-e-exam? Sige, gagawin natin ulit yan. Gusto mong mag-iba ng review center? Kasi sa tingin mo magme-merit yun? Sige, gawin natin yan. Everything you need, we will still provide. Basta iparamdam mo sa kanya, iparamdam nyo sa kanya that she is not a disappointment just because she failed her first try. Iintindihan mo ako, my love? Kasi yun lang yung kaya nating gawin sa kanila eh. To support them, to encourage them, to tell them na whatever they do, they will never be a disappointment to you. Kasi dun sila natatakot, my love. Sabi nga ng mga nagtitake ng mga board exams tapos nag-fail the first try, gustong sumubok ulit for the second, for the third, what they do is they take a rest. Nire-rest nila yung utak nila, tinatanggal nila yung nerves nila, and they go back at it again. Kasi my love, there's no way around it naman eh. If you really wanna be proficient sa linya na yan ng kinuha mong kurso, you really have to take the licensure exam. So, andun yung pressure para sa kanya. Andun yung weight na yon. Hindi mo yun matatanggal sa kanya. It's gonna be there. All you can do is to help her carry it. Tulungan mo siyang buhatin yung bigat na yun na nasa shoulders niya the best way you know how. My love, we can only do so much to support the people we love. At the end of the day, getting past dun sa failure na yon, getting past dun sa feeling of failing, getting past dun sa disappointment sa sarili, sila lang ang makakagawa nun. Sabi mo nga, you guys did everything you can to make her feel comfortable sa pag-exam. Do it again. Just do it again. Let her know how proud you are of her. Hindi niya pa man nakukuha yung pagpasa sa licensure exam na yan, sa board exam na yan. You are already proud of her. Let her know that. And let her know na there's no pressure. At least not on your side. Bilang pamilya niya. So she can only be left with one problem. How to deal with herself. Hindi sa inyo. Okay? Tanggalin nyo lang yung expectations sa inyo. Ilayo nyo siya sa mga kamag-anak nyo may expectations of her. Ilayo mo siya sa mga taong mataas ang expectation sa kanya. That's the only thing you can do. The rest is up to her. Okay? Pero one thing is for sure, my love. As lucky you are to have a sister like her, she is so lucky to have you as her sister. So keep doing what you are doing. Be the best ate or sister she could ever have sa mga moment na to ng buhay niya, and she will never forget about it. Claro? Claro.